Ready to give your motorcycle some TLC? Let's talk chain maintenance. First, park your bike on a stand. Safety first, folks. Next, grab a brush and clean off the grime. Pro tip: old toothbrushes make great chain cleaners. Once it's clean, it's time for the lube. Use a motorcycle-specific chain lube. Spray it evenly while slowly rotating the wheel. Make sure you cover every link. Now, let the lube sit for a few minutes. This isn't a race, it's a marathon. Finally, wipe off any excess with a rag, and boom, your chain is ready to roll. Remember, a happy chain means a happy bike. Keep it lubed, keep it smooth.